Can you hear me now?
Yes,
How
we
do you
can.
build America's largest wireless network?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Good.
By never being satisfied.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Good.
It is February 17, and there was some news that broke out after hours that Warren Buffett sold some of his Chase stocks and bought Verizon. And you know what that means? If he's putting his money, millions of dollars, into a certain stock company, you know everyone's going to follow. And that's exactly what I'm doing. So let's jump on to my Robinhood account. So this is how we started the market today. Of course, I was down $73, and it was mostly for the Dogecoin, but we'll get into that later. So as you can see right now, I'm going to get rid of Ender Lifetimes. I mean, this was a buy and dump, but unfortunately I got stuck on a certain price. So I'm going to lose $23, which is not bad. So I'd rather just lose that than and risk that it goes down. So as you can see, I just sold. And I got credited back the difference. So let's go back here. As you can see, I have $410. And Verizon, like I mentioned, Warren Buffett bought it. I went ahead and purchased another option. I first bought last night, but it wouldn't go through, so I had to rebuy it this morning. So as you can see, I'm gonna buy this $57 call for 36 cents. Then I'm predicting that the price is gonna go up to 57 by the expiration date. So as you can see, if I go March 5th, the price goes up. So I'm gonna go with February 26th, and I'm gonna go with 57. I'm gonna predict that it's right now is at 56.26, and I'm predicting it's gonna go above that. So I'm gonna go with 57. I mean, we're only a few cents off, so 75 cents. I think we could hit that by February 26th. And again, with the whole Warren Buffett, it has to go up. It has to. He's not gonna allow it for it to go down. So let's go ahead and buy. So one contract for 100 shares is $38. So I'm gonna go buy 10. So it's gonna cost me 380 cents. I'm trying to figure out how much I could get for 410. So if I buy 12, that's 456. I'm just gonna go ahead with 10 for 380. And there, I went ahead and bought it. So this option is again, it's not. I'm not buying the stock per se. I'm buying a call that the price is gonna go up. My prediction that the price is gonna go up by the expiration date. So I have two calls. I have this one that I bought 10. As you can see, it just initiated. So just give it some time. I'll do a quick update. It's 7:23 right now in the morning. So I will do a quick update later on today, so you guys could jump on board as well. So hold on, phone, and as you can see, it's 9:45. It's been a couple hours since I purchased those options, and I wanted to log into my Robinhood account. And as you can see, we're currently up $138 since purchasing those Verizon options. Again, I told you that with Warren Buffett buying those stocks, the price is going to increase. So you gotta jump on here and make some money off this. So if we scroll down, you're gonna see I bought two options. This one was that I was predicting that the price was gonna go up to $56 by February 26th. And I can see I only bought two, and it was my fault. I should have bought more. So I'm $106 up. The stock is currently at 56.62. So on this one with two contracts, as you can see here, two contracts, I'm up $106. So we're gonna go ahead and look at the other one, the one I purchased, which is this one. As you can see here, I'm up $150. So if you combine both options, I'm up almost $300, which is an amazing day so far. So here's a recap. So we scroll down. So here's the one I bought for $380. I predicted that the stock will go up to $57 by February 26th. It's currently at 56.63. So again, we're only a few cents off. We're like about 36 cents away from 57. So if that does go up, guess what? My profits are a lot more. I mean, right now, if you can see, I'm $150, which is 39, almost 40% increase, with a small investment of 380. If I wanted to, I could cash out right now and take home $530. But we're gonna let this ride. Remember, I bought 10 contracts, so I'm gonna let it ride until tomorrow. I'm hoping that tomorrow, if it hits $58, oh, then we're in the money. I mean, we're in the money now, but obviously we want more. So I'm glad I'm currently in the green, because for the last couple of days, I've been in the red. So I want you guys to buy this option. So if you go to the Verizon, okay, if you go here and you click on trade, you want to do trade options, okay. Well, let me go back a little. Now, if you don't have this option where it says trade options, that means you need to apply in order for you to buy options. To do that, you go to your profile, you go under investment, and then if you scroll down, there's gonna be a tab that says, see how mine says remove option trading? Yours is gonna say enabled it. So that's when you're able to apply for it, and then once you get approved, which normally takes sometimes within a couple hours, they'll give you a response. Make sure on the questions that they ask you, you put, that you've been trading for a long time, and then you have over 100,000 in savings and all that stuff. Because if you say that you have very little, you have under the $50,000 treasure or whatever, they'll deny you. And if you get denied, then obviously you can't apply. You can't option trade. So again, if they deny you, just go back in there, change your questions, and then apply again. So once you get approved, this is where you go. Remember, I got restricted from day trading, so that's why I need to hold my stock or my options until the following day to take my gains. But anyways, so this is how you turn on the option trading. So we go back here. Okay, so this is the Verizon. Again, so you go trade options, and then here on the top it's going to tell you the dates. See here? So you obviously, the further out you go, sometimes the more expensive it is. But right now, if you were to call this February 19, that right now you feel that the $57 is going to hit the $57. This one is going to cost you, if you buy one contract, is going to cost you $26, which is not bad. And the chances of it hitting $57 by February 19, which is in 2 days, is very, very likely. I mean, as you can see, it's up like 3%. So obviously the more you buy, the more you gain. So I mean, if you buy 10 contracts, you're looking at $260, which again, it's not bad. I mean, it's decent. I mean, you're gonna risk $250 for 10 contracts, which is 10 contracts times 1,000 shares. So I mean, you could make some real good money. Obviously, if you have more, I mean, you could buy 100 contracts. But again, that's up to you how much you want to risk. If this is your first time option trading, go ahead and start with one contract. I mean, if you lose, you're only gonna lose $25. So again, so that's the goal. The trick here is to predict that the price is going to go up by that expiration date. So now, obviously, we go further out, like February 26th, and if we say that it's going to go, let's just say, you think that by February 26th, the call is going to drop to 56 cents. If you were to buy one, look at the difference. See, remember, it was $25 if you buy one contract. Here, it jumped up to $99. So, because chances are it could drop to 56 by February 26th. So the further out you go, the more expensive it gets. Like, for example, this one, let's say we predict that by March 5th it's going to hit 57. One contract is $72 as opposed to $25. Now the difference is that, again, you have more days for it to reach that break even number. So obviously February 19, I mean, we're only 2 days away. So chances that it's going to hit, your breaking even or the strike call, it's it's risky, and that's why some people don't like option trading, because you could lose, but again, you could also make a lot of money. And then for this challenge, obviously, I'm trying to get to $10,000 the fastest way I can. So that's why I'm doing the option trading. So look, as we speak on this on Verizon, here's my call. It's still going up. I'm at 42%. So we go back here. Here's the one for 10 contracts. I'm 110. So those 2 contracts I have, for a total of 12 contracts, I'm up $204. So if I was to cash out, that's how much I will get. They'll credit me $688, but I will make $204. But again, I'm gonna hold on to tomorrow. I'm hoping it hits 67, even 58, or even 60. I mean, if it hits 60, then it's gonna be a good day. But other than that, I showed you how to enable your option trading and how to purchase an option. So if you want to get on this, again, it's probably 9:53. So let's see here, it's 9:53. So the market closes at 1. So if you want to go ahead and place your order before 1 p.m., then you should be good. All right, guys, make sure if you find this video useful, to hit the like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I need those subscribers. So thank you.